This is the second lesson on polynomial synthetic division. In this lesson we're going to focus on what to do when the divisor doesn't fit the correct form to allow for polynomial synthetic division. Let's look at this example right here. Notice that in this example 3x plus 1 is not completely in the form of x minus r as required by synthetic division because it has a 3 as its coefficient for x. It needs to be a 1. So what we're going to do to overcome that is some simple math. We're going to just go ahead and divide everything by 3. And when I say everything, that includes the dividend. So we're going to divide all the terms in the dividend by 3 as well. And notice what happens is the 3's in front of the x cancel, leaving the coefficient as 1 as required, and our new r becomes negative 1/3. Remember, we use the opposite sign here for the negative. And now we're ready to do our synthetic division problem. So we set up negative 1/3, and then we write our coefficients. The coefficient for x to the 4th is 1. For x to the 3rd now is 5/3, negative 5/3. It is positive 1/3 for x squared, 7/3 for x. And then we need to go ahead and add a 0 out here since it was not a constant this time in our problem. And we need to be sure that place is held for us. Now we're ready to go ahead and do our synthetic division. We bring down the 1 and multiply it by the negative 1/3, putting that answer right here. Negative 5/3 and negative 1/3 is negative 6/3 or negative 2, which we now multiply by negative 1/3. And we get positive 2/3 right here. Combined with 1/3 leaves 3/3 or 1. And now multiplied by negative 1/3 again. And put the answer right here. 7 minus 1 is 6/3 or positive 2. And then finally 2 times negative 1/3 is negative 2/3. Combined with 0 is negative 2/3, which of course is going to be our remainder. The 2 to the left of the remainder is our constant. The 1 is the coefficient for x. Negative 2 is the coefficient for x squared. And positive 1 the coefficient for x cubed. So when I write my answer, I would just write 1x cubed, don't need to write the 1, minus 2x squared, plus x, don't need the 1, plus 2. And then we have a rather complicated remainder here. That's 2/3 over 3x plus 1 over 3, which is our divisor. We don't like that compound fraction, so let's go over here and get rid of that. Remember that what that means is 2/3 divided by 3x plus 1 over 3. And the rules of fractions just say take the first one, change it to multiplication, and find the reciprocal of the second fraction, meaning flip it over. And then just multiply them. So the 3's cancel, leaving the answer as 2 over 3x plus 1. Much easier fraction to deal with. So my final answer then for this problem I would write as x cubed minus 2x squared plus x plus 2 minus 2 over 3x plus 1. Just like that. So whenever we have a divisor that has a lead coefficient other than 1, we can adjust that lead coefficient to make it 1 by dividing by that coefficient, as long as we make sure we divide all of the terms in the problem by that coefficient, and then use the new r in our synthetic division problem. Now, if you would like to look at the first lesson on synthetic division, that's on my website at mymatheducation.com or on my YouTube channel, Mymatheducation, along with other lessons in algebra that might help you. Now, if you enjoyed this lesson, I hope you will subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mymatheducation, and come back and watch other videos that might be helpful to you. Thanks a lot for watching this one, and hope you come back soon.